you're never gonna make it. You're not good enough, there's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? And you must be kidding, think you're gonna hit it. Just don't get it, it's impossible.
So hey, what is up, lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog of Shom's Lifestyle, another episode of Feature My Car rather. So this is the third Civic I am featuring today in one day. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा अगर टायर्ड लगूँ तो इग्नोर कर देना, बी-रोल से एंजॉय करो, फिर बात करते हैं कि गाड़ी में क्या क्या है एंड देन वी विल गो फॉर अ ड्राइव. दिस इज अ वेरी नाइस ब्लैक नीट एंड क्लीन Civic with a Gucci snake right over here. So let's start this video.
There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back? You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they're giving them, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. But you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Fucking fight back.
This car is very camera shy, so we'll respect that. On behalf of him, Saptarshida will be in the video. So let's start with the mods. Saptarshida, क्या क्या है गाड़ी में?
It's actually my friend's car. हाँ. So you can see there's 17-inch Inforged rims.
17-inch.
Yeah.
Wrapped in Yokohama Earth One. Okay.
And apart from that, it's running on Cobra lowering suspensions.
30 mm drop on both sides, front and rear.
Exactly.
Like गैप देख सकते हो, 2 उंगली का गैप है इधर में, ठीक है. हाँ, मतलब कैसे चलाते हैं कोलकाता का बम्पर वाले एरियाज में?
See, specifically in Behala, it's very hard. Like you'll have to notice each and every bump and each and every pothole because we've got plenty of those.
आप कोबरा सस्पेंशन के साथ बोल रहे हो and you are speaking with this.
Mine is even lower actually.
Wide body Civic and मेरे को स्टॉक सस्पेंशन, स्टॉक गाड़ी, स्टॉक रिम्स. मतलब मैं आया सुबह इधर में एंड मुझे भी जाना है, मुझे डर है कि अंडर बॉडी स्क्रैप ना हो.
See, मैं अभी जो आया लाइक कुछ नहीं होगा तो एटलीस्ट 25 to 30 जगह में मेरा स्क्रैप हुआ है, तो मुझे पूरा देख के चलना पड़ा है. लाइक ईच एंड एवरी बम्पर के पीछे मेरे पीछे 2-3 लोग रह जाते हैं कि लाइक हाँ, बिकॉज आई एम मूविंग वेरी स्लो. या एंड ऑल द विंडोज आर जेट ब्लैक, यू कैन सी दोज आर including the windshield, bhai saab. So this is thoda sa illegal, don't do that, but we like cars with jet black rims, right? Yeah, it's exactly. About the show, it's about the look. And इधर पे जो मेन snake, printed vinyl, like this is done at my shop by 3M. This is a 3M wrap.
Okay.
Talking about the exhaust, it has got a Bola Valvetronic exhaust from the
Bola Valvetronic
Spitfire 2. Yep.
2, right? Like we have seen a Bola Spitfire 1 in a Polo GTTSI. हम लोगों को मैंने वीडियो भी दिखाया था. And these have got the
gel plates.
Custom gel plates with Civic का branding over here. And these are the मतलब
aftermarket lamps.
Only aftermarket lamps.
Not exactly only, like these are the most popular
लाइट. मतलब सारे मॉडिफाइड सिविक्स में यही लगा होता है. लाइक औदुमकर का गाड़ी में वो पिछले वाले वीडियो में जो मैंने दिखाया था, जो हेडलैम्प्स लगे हुए थे, सेम हेडलैम्प्स वी हैव ओवर हियर. द Audi स्टाइल मैट्रिक्स वाले DRL इधर में जलते हैं. द मैट्रिक्स इंडिकेटर्स विद सिंगल प्रोजेक्टर एंड दिस works for the high beam. We have stock fog lamps right there.
The bulbs are changed for extra brightness. Okay. Like you can see, it's a LED one.
Yes, and this grille is de-chromed.
This shine of the car is like this is paint corrected by my friend as well, like co-wrapped it. And this has also got that SB3 ceramic coating.
Ceramic coating.
Yeah.
Okay. So full car is ceramic coated and the जो black का shine है देख सकते हो इधर पे आप लोग and सारे जगह पे JDM logos. Same spoiler we have seen on Alankar's car.
That's a type of spoiler. This is a Mugen RR spoiler. Like you can note the folds over there, right? This one.
Okay.
And also this thing is the lip is added up on the spoiler.
Okay. Here you can see the added lip. Okay. And this is the boot. This is the lip, and this is the spoiler. This looks actually very cool. And back camera, reverse parking sensors, everything is there. Interior की तरफ अगर हम लोग जाएंगे तो there's not much, and you have got those cuff plates and all. थोड़ा सा
It's
ये
really well maintained actually.
हाँ, this Civic is actually well maintained. अंदर से देख के भी लगता है बहुत ज़्यादा well maintained है. And तो एक बार स्टार्ट करो आप, एग्जॉस्ट का नोट सुना देते हैं. एक तो आस्ते देखो. So driving the black Gucci snake वाला Civic, ठीक है, थोड़ा भगाते हैं इसको, इधर देखो. Like bumpers. Like see the red light. This is so low that we have to take care of each and every bumper. ठीक है. बहुत ताकत चला रहा है. And the driving experience is super awesome. This thing backfires, man. Pretty well. So we are at the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like button, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bells on, follow me on Instagram at @username404. As always, I'm at the end of today's video. I look forward to seeing you next video real soon. Bye bye.
It's so cold.